How to convert Spaylater to Shopeepay. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can convert Spaylater to Shopeepay. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopeepay and you'll be able to see an interface like this in front of you. You'll be able to see this me icon at the bottom right, so just click on me. After coming to your profile, search for my wallet and then click on Spaylater over here. And after that you'll be able to see your available limit, and it is written that it is due today, that pay on time to get potential limit increase, avoid late charges and prevent Shopee account benefits ban. So all you have to do is just click on convert here. Next, you need to select your BNPL transaction. So you need to select the transaction to convert to installments. You can see here that the applicable BNPL amount here is RM250, but it will depend upon the country where you are residing in. So once you have selected your BNPL transaction, just click on next. Then you can select your tenure. If you select X3, that means that your amount would be divided into 3 installments, and if you select 6, then your installment would be divided into 6 installments, and if you select 12, then your amount would be divided into 12 installments. So here you can see that total amount is 275, but monthly installment is 22. So just select one tenure and after that just click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you'll be able to see your conversion result receipt and you can verify your conversion. So that was how you can convert your Spaylater to Shopeepay. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.